Throughout this course, we're going to see many times where we have a chance to simplify algebraic statements. For example, negative 2 times 3x. Every one of these numbers is being multiplied to each other, so I can just multiply everything on through. Negative 2 times the 3 is a negative 6 times the x. The second one, I have an addition problem. I have 6 x's plus 1x. How many total x's do I have? I have 7 x's. I have 8 a's minus 9 a's. How many a's do I have? I have a negative 1a, or when it's a 1 as the coefficient, we can just write it as negative a because that 1 is implied. Negative 3 times 2x minus 5. In this case, I need to make sure that this negative 3 is being multiplied to this first term and that second term. So I have to distribute all the way through. Negative 3 times 2x equals a negative 6x. Negative 3 times a negative 5 gives me a positive 15. Now you notice I did not have to distribute on this first problem, even though I was multiplying a number to something in the parentheses. And the reason is that in the parentheses is two numbers already being multiplied. There's no addition, no sum. Here there is a sum involved. And when that is the case, I must distribute. And lastly, I have a negative times a 3y minus 8. Well, this negative is an implied negative 1. And because inside the parenthesis is a summation, two numbers being added or subtracted, I have to distribute that all the way through. So negative 1 times the 3y, and negative 1 times that negative 8. I know I didn't write that negative 8 well. So negative 1 times 3y gives me a negative 3y, and a negative 1 times a negative 8 equals a positive 8. So please, when you do this, just be a little careful when you distribute all the way across.